Here we come to the elevators at Urbane Apartments on the U of A campus here in Tucson, Arizona. These are Otis Gen2s that have newer Otis Series 2, Series 4 fixtures. These are, I like these fixtures because they're, I like these pretty cool because these are pretty... Here comes one, I'm not sure which one's going to be. Otis Series 1 lantern with blue. Very similar to a Series 1 lantern.
It's a blue elevator.
Yeah, it is blue. The cab is blue too.
One?
Let's go down to 1. And the door close does not work. But maybe it does work. Capacity 3,500 pounds.
We're gonna have to keep talking because of the music.
We got music, so this is really this got Otis Fire Service, ADA compliant phone built into the car station, and emergency stop switch. These are locked off too.
Yep.
And there's the Otis Series 1 lantern again, and I think here it goes in literally just a second. There's music playing. If this thing, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.